Good morning everyone. In this class we are going to discuss about Doi's method of delineating crop combination regions in 1957. It is a statistical refinement in agricultural geography. Okay, what is the definition of cropping pattern? A cropping pattern is the spatial distribution of crops over an area in a given period. This is the raw data, abundance of wheat, rice, wheat, others, rice, they mixing up. But after that we have to do some kind of regional patterns on the basis of its unique zone, rice and wheat zone, like this: wheat, rice, oilseeds, commercial crop region, diversified agricultural, oilseeds, pulses, rice. Okay, this pattern. Okay, key goals of this delineating the agricultural landscape is identify dominant crop groups in a region, then apply agricultural regionalization and planning, and analysis diversification and agricultural intensity. This is the statistical figure. D is equal to root over summation x minus t bracket to the power 2 divided by n. Okay, D is equal to deviation, the value to minimize. X is equal to actual crop percentage, real world data. T is equal to theoretical percentage, the ideal model, and n is equal to number of crops being tested. And this is the sum of square differences. Inside this formula calculates the standard deviation from the theoretical distribution moving beyond simple variance. Calibrating the model, reality versus theory. Step 1, reality, list and rank. 1 rice, 2 wheat, and 3 pulses. Calculate percentage area, arrange crops in descending order. Step 2, theory, the ideal distribution. 2 crops, 3 crops, 4 crops, like this. 2 crop means 50%, 3 crop means 33.3%, 4 crops means 25%. The theoretical equal distribution serves as the statistical benchmark for comparison. Calculating the deviation, input data xt, process, calculate 2 crop D, calculate 3 crop D, calculate 4 crop D, and compare results, ultimately getting the decision. Identify lowest deviation. The rule is that the combination with the lowest deviation value is identified as the true crop combination region. This reduces arbitrary grouping. Okay, applied case study. For example, we have some data card field report. Rice is equal to 60%, wheat 25%, and pulse 15%. Testing 2 crops, rice and wheat. Rice 60%, theory is 50% because of its two crop, and wheat 25% because theory 50% because it's combined 2 crops. Testing 3 crops, rice, wheat, and pulses. Rice 60%, wheat 25%, pulses 15%, and theory 33.3% because it's combines 3 crops. And the outcome is compute deviation D for both scenarios, and the lowest value combines the correct regional classification. This is a comparative analysis: Weaver versus Doi, Fisher, Weaver in 1954 and Doi in 1957. On the basis of method, Weaver provides minimum deviation and Doi provides standard deviation based. On the basis of accuracy, Weaver moderate, Doi high. Complexity simple and moderate, flexibility low and high accordingly. While Weaver pioneered the concept, Doi provided the necessary statistical rigor. Okay, there are some merits and demerits of this critical methods. Merits: more accurate and scientific than Weaver, handles crop proportion payability effectively, and highly suitable for regional agricultural studies. Then excellent for diversification and analysis. And limitations are computationally intensive and time consuming, requires solid statistical knowledge, and still relies on an assumption of theoretical equal distribution. These are some merits and demerits of the Doi's methods. Then this is the UGC NET, some UGC NET perspective. Rapid recall: succession means Doi proposed this method immediately after Weaver. Core logic: use standard deviation from theoretical distribution. Core comparison: Doi is consistently cited as more accurate than Weaver. Question: which method used standard deviation? Doi. And who refined crop combination analysis in 1957? Doi. These are some questions from UGC NET perspective. Okay, the Doi's method represents a definitive statistical refinement in agricultural geography. By bridging the gap between raw data and spatial planning, it offers a more realistic representation of cropping patterns than its predecessors. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.